Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a beaver, a clever animal that loves water and wood. First, let's start with the head and cheeks. Draw a round head and a big puffy cheeks on both sides. The beaver has a friendly chubby face. Next, draw the small ears. Add two tiny round ears on top of the head. Now draw the nose, eyes and mouth. Draw a small nose in the center of the face. Add two gentle eyes and a little curved mouth. The beaver looks calm and happy. Add the whiskers. Draw a few long lines on each side of the face. The whiskers help the beaver feel what is around him, even in the water. Now draw the front paws. Draw two small paws under the head. The beaver can be holding a piece of wood because beavers love to build with wood. Next, draw the body and back legs. Draw a rounded body and add the back legs under it. The body is strong and wide. Now draw the big tail. Draw a large flat tail at the back of the body. Beaver's tail is very special. Beaver use their tails to swim, to balance, and to slap the water, to warn other beavers of danger. Finally, let's color the beaver. Use brown and dark orange colors. You can color the tail a little darker. Color the piece of wood light brown or green. Well done! You have drawn a small and hardworking beaver. See you next time in Stories in Color. Please subscribe.